Honda Odyssey Minivan recalled over problem with sliding doors. Consumer Reports has no financial relationship with advertisers on this site. Honda is recalling 107,000 of its 2018 and 2019 minivans because its power sliding doors may not latch properly, raising the possibility that they could open while the vehicle is in motion, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. According to Honda, some components in the power sliding doors rear latch assembly are prone to sticking, which can stop the front and rear latches from securely connecting. This problem Honda says its dealers have a limited supply of latch repair kits, but it anticipates having more in stock by late December. The recall is scheduled. This would be done only at a customer's request, would be documented on the repair order, and would require the owner to take the vehicle back to the dealer when repair parts become available, the spokesman said. Those doors can be. The automaker says it is not aware of any crashes or injuries related to this problem. Vehicles involved 107,774 of the 2018 and 2019 Honda Odyssey minivans, built from January 19, 2017, through April 16, 2018. The problem: some components in the power sliding doors rear latch assembly are prone to sticking, which can stop the front and rear latches from securely connecting. The fix: Honda will notify owners, and dealers will replace the left and right power sliding door rear latch assemblies, free of charge. The recall is how owners can contact the automaker. Owners may contact Honda customer service at 888-234-2138. Honda's numbers: NHTSA campaign number 18B795. Check to see whether your vehicle has an open recall. NHTSA's website will tell you whether your vehicle has any open recalls that need to be addressed. If you plug your car's 17-digit vehicle identification number VIN into NHTSA's website and this recall doesn't appear, it means your vehicle doesn't currently have any open recalls. Because Consumer Reports is an independent, non-profit organization that works side by side with consumers to create a fairer, safer, and healthier world. CR does not
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. I get fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.